Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let's fix the Apple Wallet missing on your iPhone. So let's check the quick access. If your app icon is missing on your home screen, you have to try double-clicking the side button on your iPhone to see if your payment cards pop up. And if they do, the wallet is working, everything is fine with it, and the issue is purely the app icon's visibility. So let's fix that. You have to swipe down from the middle part of your screen to open search. Now you have to type wallet, and here at the top the app icon should appear, and you have to tap it to open the application. Additionally, let's try using the app library. You have to swipe left past all of your home screen pages until you reach the app library. And now you have to locate the wallet app icon. Additionally, you can use the search bar to type wallet. Here is mine, and from here additionally you can access your wallet application. But if you still don't see your wallet application, you might go to App Store application. Let me reset it, and you have to go to search bar, type for wallet, and now next to the application you should see, if you see the cloud icon, you have to tap that cloud icon to re-download the application, which will restore the app icon on your home screen. So that were the main fixes of Apple Wallet missing on your iPhone, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.